Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. Don't mind the voice. I don't know what's going on. We just don't know what's going on, but we ain't gonna claim whatever is trying to take place, okay? Well, welcome to my tray. I know I said I was gonna do a Middle Eastern fragrance tray, but I have really been feeling spring. I have really been feeling like just the breeze of spring, the transition that we're going into, like with the winds and the rain. And so I was like, you know what? Let me just put on my tray some of the things that I have been reaching for and have been craving. So this is definitely a spring tray, so we'll keep that theme spring. But these are fragrances I have been really reaching for more often, or craving, or wanting to wear. So I hope that you all enjoy my tray. And if you are new to this channel, I do monthly trays where we don't go over the notes. Well, some of the time, girl, because some of the times I just do it. But more so, this is just an opportunity for me to really kind of rediscover or discover my collection, or get to wear my collection. So anyway, enough of all of that. Let's get into it really quick. First up, I have this beauty from New Notes, and this is Carmelo Vanilla. And this is an extrait de perfume. I first heard about this from the AI the Great here on YouTube. She talked about this fragrance, and I think the thing that captured me the most was, first of all, vanilla, of course, right? But the caramel, the dulce de leche, and the cotton candy. That cotton candy note, I was like, okay, say no more. Like, I'm all in. So I ended up getting that. I have not worn this, so I actually don't know if this is really like a spring fragrance, but it really doesn't matter. I just got it, so I want to wear it, so I put it on my tray, and that kind of started me refocusing my tray, because I know I was talking about Middle Eastern fragrances. It's because, honey, I wanted this on my tray, and I can't do Middle Eastern fragrances with this on my tray. So anyway, so I picked up this fragrance from So Avant-Garde, and that is, I got it under AI the Great's code. So if you're interested, feel free to go on her page, get her code. She sometimes has like these 30% off deals and all of this, but normally it's like 20% off, but you can get some good deals on some niche fragrances, and we'll get more into it. Next, we have House of Sillage. I have talked about this a whole lot, and I've been wearing this a whole lot. I am excited. I also have the perfume amplifiers from this collection, from the Avatar collection from House of Sillage. So I'm so excited to really get more deep into that. I really want to test out the amplifiers to see what that does. But I told you all, this is very much this, if you like Ocean from Giorgio Armani, the Goya, girl, you know I get the words all mixed up. But if you like that fragrance, you would absolutely probably adore this fragrance, because it's definitely like a more aquatic, luxury type of fragrance. I just talked about this, but this is uber good. I love the detailing. I mean, I love House of Sillage detailing, period. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Anyway, moving on, let's talk about finery. So I have this beauty right here, and this is the Finery, the New Rouge. This one you can get from Target. I also put on my tray, one of my faves is I Am a Must. I Am a Must was my fave until I met the New Rouge. The New Rouge does kind of give me remnants of Baccarat 540, but not. Kind of gives you Ariana Cloud, but not. It has like that fluffy DNA, or that almost like a cotton candy, almost like a marshmallowy, sticky type of note, but it is uber good. Like, I am so excited. So I had to put that on my tray because I am about to wear that down with a lot of things. And speaking of honey cotton candy, speaking of white musk, I had to put Byredo Sundays on here. Oh my gosh, you all, like, and no lie, I wasn't planning on doing this, but listen, I've been wearing down this one, Finery Magnetic Candy, and this one is supposed to be a dupe of Byredo Sunday. It is definitely a really good dupe, but when I say I've been craving to wear the Byredo one, I just have. So I just had to put it on my tray. So I'm so excited to wear Byredo Sunday. If you are looking for a good citrus, sweeter fragrance, and even if you're not interested in citrus, okay? Because I know some of my family members do not like citrus. Honey, I am with you. Sometimes citrus does not do my body right, and sometimes it really does, right? I think this is one of those moments that it really does the body right because of the sweeter cotton candy note, and that's just personally me, you know. Anyway, moving on. Next up, I have Victoria's Secret Bare Rose, and I've talked about that a lot on this channel. If you're looking for a watery rose, something very much easy reach, something quick grab and go, but still beautiful, everything. Okay, when I say everything, I can't wait until Victoria's Secret has a sale because I'm getting the big bottle. I'm getting a huge bottle. Do they have, like, I don't know if they have a SAS or say, I don't know what they got. That's Bath and Body Works, right? Anyway, whatever they have, whenever the sale is that I can get Bare Rose at a discount, I'm gonna get it, and the bigger bottle at that. So good, so beautiful. Speaking of a little bit more watery, if you like a good coconut watery type of scent, trickle on down to Seven Virtues. Coconut Sun is really good. If you like a yellow floral like Frangipani, if you like rose, if you kind of like a salt note as well, and vanilla, you would absolutely adore that. I love Seven Virtues. It's such a easy fragrance house. I think you would find something for yourself. Like, I think everyone would find at least one thing or one fragrance that they adore. So next, I have Creed Adventus for her. If you like a good citrus, a good luxury citrus, that would be one to get. Absolutely beautiful. I love it during this time. I love it during even transition time, just because when the wind flows and blows through your hair and your body, like, it's just such a beautiful projecting fragrance to me that those that are around you are also gonna, like, feel very bright around or feel just happy. I've gotten plenty of compliments on that fragrance. It is amazing. Next up, I have two Kayali fragrances. One, Kayali, the Wedding Silk Santal. And then I also have Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee. Honey, I love both of those fragrances. I think I'm going to try to wear the Wedding Santal a little bit more, because it seems like she's going to come out with some more. So excited about that. So I've been kind of babysitting that fragrance because I don't want to use it up and not be able to wear it. So I've been really babysitting it. I hope that she comes back around with that fragrance because she's kind of been hinting on it. So I really hope that comes true for those that are interested. I definitely wanted to put on my tray a little bit of a oldie, but definitely a goodie. Honey, Bedtime All Day. Okay, bed all day. Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. Okay, Pretty Princess Bedtime Wear. Right there. So good. I absolutely adore that. Oldie classic. And even you could wear it out, you know, but I normally wear it to bed. It's just very comforting, very pretty girl, very pretty princess, okay? Next up, we have Mango Skin. If you like a good mango fruity scent, this is the best mango I have in my collection. I mean, others may have different things, but in my collection, this is the best mango fragrance I have. I love it. I babysit it because I don't want it to go away from me. But would I repurchase this? Absolutely. It's beautiful, beautiful mango note. It is very realistic. It's not synthetic. It's none of those things. It's amazing. Love it down. Does anyone have Chloe Nomad? Oh my goodness. Very much. It's a very citrus, woody, fruity though fragrance. So again, I think people are like, oh, I don't like citrus, but I think it's just you finding the right citrus for you. I think that there's at least maybe 1 or 2 fragrances out there that have citrus in it that would really float your boat. And this is again like a oudie, but such a great citrus, bright, great transition, great spring fragrance. It has peach in this, rose, have white musk. You all know again how I've been in my musk bag, but sandalwood. And it has so many citruses like bergamot and orange and lemon. It's just so pretty. And yeah, she just had to go on my tray. Another beauty musk type of fragrance, easy reach. I mean, girlies have to be talking about this one, is Loewe One Women. Honey, when I say that one, the girlies have been talking about her and they have not lied. She is so good. If you like a good musk, but you want to smell luxury and luxe, that is one to get. Okay. A really good blue matcha from Montal. Okay, now let's talk about this. I've talked about this before. If you have not had the best of time with tea fragrances, I know that's my life. I don't know if that's anybody else's life out there. I have not had the best experience with tea fragrances, but when I say that blue matcha from Montal, because of this sweeter note in it, I love this tea, almost like tea candy perfume. I absolutely adore it. I can't explain it, but when I say it's a sweeter tea candy fragrance, that's what I get on my skin. And if I never have a great experience with the tea note ever again, I'm cool with just having blue matcha Montal in my collection forever, and forever. Okay, because at this point, I don't know if I will ever get another good tea fragrance. Maybe that be something that I hunt for, but either way, I absolutely adore that. I adore how it smells. I adore the compliments I get. It is a beauty. Outstanding. And last, but certainly not least, let's trickle on down to Tiziana Terenzi, honey, and this is Orza. Wow. If you want a fruity luxury bomb, wow, that's one that needs to be on your wish list. It is so beautiful and good, and lasts long. I don't know what else you want to say. It's like spring fruitiness in the bottle. It's everything you want for this season and more, and smelling just absolutely amazing. Honey, this is my tray. I hope you all have enjoyed my spring tray. I'm excited. I'm looking at this. My mouth is watering. My body is get it on your body right now. I am going to have so much fun. Maybe next month I will do the Middle Eastern fragrance tray, but I really was craving these fragrances and we just got to switch up. And that's the greatest thing about the tray. You make up your own rules. There is no rules. Do what you want to do, wear what you want to wear, whatever makes you feel good, sis. That's what makes you feel good, period. And who's checking you? Nobody. Okay. Happy April. Okay. Make sure that you all subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. I love you. Bye.